Today we are in Sierra Cove, which is just south of Trasona Cove East and West. We have a 4-bedroom plus an office, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,440 square feet floor plan by Viera Builders, and it's called the Hawthorne. Let's go check it out. Before we do that though, Hawthorne Heights, you guys know the band? One of my favorites. Come on. One of the most impressive things about the Hawthorne floor plan is the entryway. So if you look up, you've got soaring ceilings at 20 feet. It's really impressive and one of the only floor plans in this community that offers something like that. The other things that people really like about this floor plan is you have a downstairs flex space. This could be utilized as an office, it could be a bedroom, it could be a playroom, it could be a location for a Peloton, maybe an indoor cold plunge. Whatever suits your fancy, that's this space here. The other thing that people really enjoy about this floor plan, open concept. So you've got the gourmet kitchen here, so nice island. You can put 4 chairs comfortably. It flows right into a dining space and then into your great room where you can have your television or other things that you would use to entertain. Right off of the kitchen is the downstairs primary suite. This is another focal point of this floor plan that people really appreciate, being the primary bedroom downstairs, not upstairs. So downstairs we have the primary bedroom and that flex space. All additional rooms are going to be up. When choosing the Hawthorne floor plan, you had an option to create this middle room here as an open kind of loft space or a bedroom. In this specific one, that is actually a theater room that is also utilized as a bedroom. There is an attached ensuite, which is one of the full bathrooms in this property. But beyond that, we have 2 full bedrooms, a full bathroom, and that badass theater room. So if you look right over here above the front door, there is a window with a little foundation area there. There is an area rug up there. You might be wondering, what the heck is that for? But there's also a plug there. So use your imagination what could be used for that. During the holidays, it's a good location where you could put, let's say, a Christmas tree or some other sort of thing that needs electricity to power the lights. So another cool feature that Viera Builders offers when they build these homes is they give you the option of putting a gas bib on this wall as well as plumbing. So that's in the event that you either build a summer kitchen with Viera Builders or after the fact. The people that owned this property built this outdoor kitchen after they had moved in. They also built the pool and the screen and all these other things after they closed with Viera. So here you can see what a summer kitchen could look like in a space like this. And this is the Hawthorne floor plan. So make sure to check out some of our other videos where we've covered a lot of different floor plans offered by Viera Builders, as well as other things happening in Viera and really in the county. And hear me out on this. If you have not already subscribed to my page, what are you waiting for?